Stop! Did you hear that?
A puppy! He can live with us. Max, look. Buddy?
He has a family.
Can we find his family? Let's help him. Can you see it? Max.
Buddy!
I've got this.
Buddy!
I've got this.
Stop!
Wait. Buddy, come here. There's a number.
Yes!
No answer? Max, look! That's him! We found Buddy. They're coming.
Buddy!
Go, Buddy. I missed you. Thank you. You wanted to keep him. Maybe a little. Take care of him.
Easy, right?
Don't start.
Max, hit it! What's inside? Max, what comes from eggs?
Some animals hatch from eggs.
How? Max, what's happening?
Hold on!
Wow, so many eggs.
What's inside them? Daisy, look at this! A giant hammer? Let's try it.
A chick. It hatched. Why won't it open? A duck.
That egg is huge. Let's see what's inside. A dinosaur? Run! Help! Phew, she's gone. That was close.
A baby turtle.
It's so small.
It's moving. A penguin, so fluffy.
Wow, look at this egg.
Whoa, a snake?
Wow, it's a baby. Wow, look at this one. What could be inside? Whoa, a crocodile. Wow, look at those teeth. Look at all of them. They all came from eggs. Now I understand. Some animals hatch from eggs. That's amazing. Oh no, not again. Hold on. We're home. Finally. It's coming! Run! Don't stop!
Wow, look at this place.
The dinosaurs are huge!
Ready for an adventure?
Yes! Yes!
Which dinosaur should we see first?
That one!
It's a brachio. It ate plants.
A baby!
It has 3 horns.
1, 2, 3!
Let's see the next one.
Ah! It scared me! I know, but it looks real.
That's what makes it cool.
Look, a stegosaurus! It has a funny back. We're under a dinosaur.
There's much more ahead.
Let's go!
Daisy, did you see that? Stay close. We're going ahead.
Max, what is that? That footprint is huge. Stay close to me. Max, this is impossible. It's beautiful. I think it likes us. Hi. Max, he's so cute. I think he likes you. Hey, little guy. Hey, that's my hat. Catch him, Max. Okay, you're funny. What was that? They're all running. Hide in the bushes. Can it see us? Stay very still. That was close. She's gone. That was scary. Did you hear that? It's coming from there. Max, look, a baby T-Rex. It's okay. We're friendly. He's so cute. We need to find his mom. Let's find her. Maybe he knows the way. Hey, that's cold. Let's rest for a minute. I'm tired. Just 1 minute. Daisy, don't move.
Run!
Run! She's right behind us.
Keep going!
Daisy! Max, help! He saved me. She's his mom. She was looking for him. That's why she was so angry. She's not scary anymore. Daisy, look! The way back! I'll miss you. Bye, little guy. We're back! We made it!
Max, Daisy, where were you?
We were with dinosaurs.
Of course you were.
Real dinosaurs are actually very nice.
Max, look!
It was real.
Bye, little dinosaur. Ah!
Max, Daisy.
What happened?
The power went out.
I'm not scared. I didn't ask. What was that? Easy. Max.
Ah! Very brave.
I knew that.
Max?
I've got this.
It's coming from there. Still easy?
Totally.
Are you scared?
No.
Ah!
Maybe a little.
Let's check together.
See anything?
Not yet.
What?
Max!
Don't move.
It's getting closer.
I see that.
Mystery solved. That wasn't the coat. Shh. There. Ready?
Ready.
Whoa! Seriously? I've got it!
Need help?
No! Yes! I was about to do that.
Sure.
Everything okay?
We found the monster. Max was very brave. Behind me.
Daisy! Does it hurt very much, sweetie?
It hurts a lot, Mom.
Don't worry, we'll see the dentist first thing in the morning.
We are right here for you.
You're my brave big brother. I'm brave.
Just not today.
Hello there.
Ready to see how easy this is?
This is just a little mirror to count your teeth. See? I told you there was nothing to worry about.
That's it? I'll eat you later.
Finally! Mom? Mom? Where did everyone go?
Stay close to me, okay?
Okay.
Whoa! Just for a second.
This is so cool! Mom, look! Mom?
If we get separated, stay where you are.
Okay, stay here.
Are you okay?
I can't find my mom. Mom, where's Max?
Max? Max!
Mom!
I told you to stay close.
I'm sorry, Mom. I'm staying with you.
Mom said no playing with a ball in the house.
I'm being careful. Uh-oh.
What happened here?
It was her. She broke it by accident.
But it was you.
I broke the vase, and I lied because I was scared.
Everyone makes mistakes, but it is important to tell the truth.
I'm sorry I blamed you.
Okay, but don't do that again.
Deal. Let's play outside instead.
Now you've really gotten smarter.
Easy, nobody is awake.
Hello, let's play.
Got you.
We'll be back tomorrow.
How long will you be gone?
Can we order pizza?
Keep the doors locked. Don't open the door for strangers.
Don't worry, Dad. See you tomorrow.
Bye, Mom. Bye, Dad.
Max, who is that?
I don't know.
Is he looking at our house?
Let's make sure we hear him.
Hello, let's play. Perfect.
What about these? Good idea.
He won't like this fit.
Now we're ready. Do you think he'll come back? I don't know. Stay close.
Hello, let's play.
Max.